Hello, my name is Amisha Makrani, and today I'll be speaking on the topic how far has the corporate world been responsible for the environmental degradation? What I feel is every part of the earth, including air, water, land, today is polluted, and corporate world is a major contributor to the same. Just because of the fact that as we developed in the corporate world, we became more and more modern, everything just went against the environment. It all started from the setting up of industries. When these industries are set up, first of all, the land is to be cleared for them. A lot of trees are cut. It's deforestation. The forests are being fired. They're cleared, and it all causes the degradation of environment because trees release oxygen, and this also leads to not only land pollution but also air pollution at the same time. After the land is cleared, these industries are set up. They own by themselves release a lot of harmful toxic gases that lead to air pollution. And then when some of the natural gases that are not originally present into the environment enter the environment, they lead to higher level of pollutions. Not only this, but when we talk about the recent industries that are plastic is a product that is being manufactured, but it cannot be decomposed, and it takes millions of years to get decomposed, and it is not even a lifetime of we human beings. And until these get decomposed, they will be a part of our environment, and we will be decomposed under them because when these materials are present on they're dumped in the land, they just degrade the land quality and do nothing else. Other than that, to talk about the recent urbanization that is being going on due to the corporate world, there are people who are shifting to urban areas, and urbanization is a leading thing. And for that, again, you clear a lot of land, and when you clear the land, it is the same thing that you're setting up houses, and it leads to land pollution, also followed by various petrochemicals that are being used in making of houses. Also, when more and more people are getting urbanized, they try to get to their own vehicles. Own vehicles means you're not using public transportation, and each of one of us is releasing the carbon dioxide in the amount where 50 people could travel into one vehicle. They would release what amount is equal to what one person is releasing today, and that is a big concern. Also, when we talk about the natural disasters that are coming up, natural disasters that come up are when we are disturbing the earth, and they cause huge loss to the environment. Like, and they may be self-made, but they're initiated by humans the uh, due to the interference that human does with the ongoing recent environment, and it really needs to be taken an action upon. Recently, we heard about various leaks of gas, oils. What is that? Why are they transported? They are transported for corporate purposes. And we need to take into consideration the fact that if this corporate world would have enacted in a very lenient manner, such things would not have happened. There are gas leaks. Recently in Thiruvananthapuram, there were a lot of gas leaks due to the fact that there was some mismanagement. Also, there are oil leaks every now and then into the international oceans, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. They are also due to the fact that the corporate world does not take proper efforts to make the environment safe. This was all I had to say about it. Rather, I would like to end it by saying that environment is being degraded. The major reason being the corporate world. It is fine if we don't put in complete effort, but we can start, and we need a start right now. People are getting into corporate social responsibility, but it needs to gear up. The government needs to put in more and more initiatives such that people learn what to do, how to do, when to do, because before it's too late for us to act for the environment may act against us, and that would not be fulfilling for us as human, as it will lead to the end of us. Thank you so much.